Hi, my name is Diani Kakad, and the trailer that I'm working on is Black Panther Wakanda Forever. This is the movie trailer presentation. Wakanda Forever. Editing. Initially, the rhythm for the trailer was pretty steady. However, right after Namor, who is the antagonist, sat on the underwater throne, the rhythm fastened, using a lot of cross-cutting scenes after this scene. These are all the examples of the cross-cutting scenes used in the trailer. These are the two examples of the establishing shot, which helped the audience perceive where the setting is. Editing. So the very first opening scene uses the fade-in visual effect for Marvel Studios, which is the production company for Wakanda Forever. This is one of the first few scenes in the trailer, and it is recorded at a faster pace to create slow motion. This scene did not necessarily provide any new information. However, it did provide a new perspective for the audience to look at. Sound. The trailer uses a lot of non-diegetic sounds, including the Wakanda Forever soundtrack. The trailer also uses diegetic sounds, including the car crashing, including the sounds of the weapons, car crashing, and this dialogue. For this slide, I want to mention that right after the dialogues came, right when the dialogues came, the background sound lowered its volume so the audience could better hear what the actors were saying. The trailer uses voiceover as a sound bridge. So, for example, when Queen Ramonda said, "Show them who we are," multiple shots were displayed, even though Queen Ramonda was not in any of the scenes. In conclusion, for editing, the trailer uses establishing shots, fade-in visual effects, changing of rhythm, slow motion, cross-cutting, and for sound, it uses non-diegetic, diegetic, makes sure that the audience were able to hear the dialogues, and voiceover used as sound bridge. Thank you.